Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're gonna do a clean and decorate for summer with me. But I just thought I'd take you along today. It's a rainy, gloomy day. I had other plans for a video, but most of it required outdoors and it's rained on and off already. So that video is not gonna work. So today, I got a clean house anyway. So I thought I would take you along with me on that. And then I'm just kind of at that point where I'm ready to put out some of the summer decor and just change up the style again. So we're gonna take care of doing that. But let's get started with the cleaning first. I always start with the bathrooms. Keep it simple. I use Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes, whatever I happen to have. I do sinks, toilets, and then I replace the either toilet clings that I put in the bowl of the toilet, or I will clean the toilet bowl with cleaner. This week it's gonna be cling. From there, I usually move through the house and do dusting and vacuuming. I vacuum two ways. I vacuum with my cordless vac to do most of the floors because they're hardwood, or not even hardwood, they're laminate wood. And then I use a big regular vacuum to do the rug in my bedroom and the living room. And then from there, I will come back and do the kitchen counters if the stove needs it. And then that should be the majority of the cleaning. But let's get started and I'll show you what I'm doing.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, but play move side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. I feel a mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night. I feel a mile high. I ain't never been one to not follow the signs. You're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like ants now high when you're on my side. High up in the sky,
I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow.
I'm not cleaning the stove because I actually haven't used it yet since I cleaned it last week, so I'll clean it after I cook tomorrow. So that's why I'm not touching the stove.
And I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon. In case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. From now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon.
Saw you walking in the street one day, it was a Sunday. You had flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care that everyone was watching you were moving to the beat. Cause you're swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you. You were posing for them, yeah, you were strutting for them, cause you know just what you do. So if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love. Cause things have never been this good before. Cause you're dancing in the corner, you're dancing how you want it, and I can't help but smile. And then I started to tap my feet in bed, we're moving to the beat, yeah. Summer nights with you there. I never thought I would've felt that love I was dreaming of. But my hand is over heels and now you got me, and I just can't breathe with you here, babe. And you should know, you can tell me how you feel, put your heart out if it's real. You can dance till 3 in the morning. Don't wanna pretend like I just wanna be friends. So if I'm being honest too, so if I never touch you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself anymore. Cause I've been looking for the one and I would think I found your love. Cause things have never been this friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say, 'cause it's hard for me to walk away. But honestly, it's such a shame when my friends are getting in the way. I just don't know what to say. It's hard for me to walk away.
That was a clean and decorate with me. I hope you enjoyed cleaning and seeing the little bits of summer decor that I do put out. It's not a ton. Obviously, I'll do a lot more once we get closer to 4th of July, but this just adds a touch of summer to my home. As always, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.
So if I already told you, baby, you should know I'm going crazy. I can't help myself